read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's lesson is about number 17. How to count it, how to identify and trace it. I will teach you today. So, let's start. Look over here. Count with me. How many lemons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. These are 17 lemons. 17 lemons jingle and jingle in the jar. 17 lemons jingle and jingle in the jar. Yes, like this. Okay, now shake your hands and make a jingle sound as if lemons are in a jar. Same like this. Okay, now look at this picture. Here is 10 rupee note and 7 coins. Let's count with me. 10. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 7, 17. Very good. Now, we will trace number 17. It's very easier for yourself. Start from the dot. Come straight down. It will make number 1. Number 1. Start from the red line. Make sleeping line. Make slant line. It will make number 7. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 7, 17. Very good. 17 lemons, yellow and bright. 17 lemons, yellow and bright. Squeeze them for juice or make a tart bite. Tart bite. Zesty and tangy. Zesty and tangy. Sour and sweet. Add them to water for a summer treat. Add them to water for a summer treat. Okay, today we have done number 17. First of all, we learned how to count different objects and money as well. After that, yes, you're right, identify and trace number 17. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.